There is a report in Petpooja from where you can know how many dealings you have done with a particular supplier and of what type. This report is available in depth also and in the overview format also. And let us see how can we access the report in Petpooja inventory. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under the inventory section, you'll see a subheading for reports where supplier report will be visible. As you can see here, you can filter via the supplier name, the type of supplier, the from date and to date. Let us first input the from date and to date. As you can see, in the August month, these many supplier dealings have been done. The first row is for supplier. The second is the total purchase made from that supplier. The third is the remaining amount which are yet to be paid to that supplier. And this is for the total paid amount. When I click on the plus sign, it will show me the invoice date, the quantity of the invoice, the number, the delivery charge and all the other charges, and the total of the invoice. If I want to dig deeper, I can also click on the plus sign here and it will also show the SKUs or the raw materials which I have purchased, at what price, in what quantity, along with all the details. This is applicable for all the suppliers. Now this price is displaying the total of all the invoices. As you can see here, we have 4 to 5 invoices for this particular supplier in this particular date range. If you want the initial view, which is of the totals, you can just click on export and export the supplier payment summary report, which will show you the top view that we saw earlier, where the supplier name and its totals will be mentioned. If you want an in-depth report, the one which we are viewing right now, you can click on export and export all. This report will contain all the entries in details along with each and every information necessary for you, like so. So this was about supplier report in Petpooja inventory. Currently this report will only show the purchase entries and not the sales entries. Supplier report for each outlet is generated differently. So if you want to generate a supplier report, you'll have to first come to the outlet and then only you can generate the supplier report. This was all about supplier report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.